everyone, today we are going to do chapter 4 financial planning practice set number 4.1 we are going to complete today. So let's start with the first question. Pawan Medical supplies medicines. On some medicines the rate of GST is 12%, then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? So we all are familiar with these abbreviations, children. Okay, so the rate of GST is 12%. This is what has been given. This chapter was there last year also. Same few questions are depend on that part only. There is nothing much new. Same thing we have to do as we did for the 9th standard class also. So the rate of GST is 12%. Therefore, the rate of CGST is equal to the rate of GST upon 2 is equal to 12. Now the rate of GST was how much? 12%, isn't it? So let's write 12% upon 2. Reduce it. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So it is 6%. And the rate of SGST is equal to the rate of CGST, that is 6%. That means CGST and SGST, both percentage is same. Once you get CGST, SGST is the same. Okay, so this type of question were there last year also, so I am not explaining much about this section. On certain article, if the rate of CGST is 9% or CGST has been given, then what is the rate of SGST? Now only I said whatever is going to be the CGST, the same is going to be SGST. So what is the rate of GST? Now we have to find GST. Okay, so first whatever is been given, we will write it down. The rate of SGST is equal to the rate of CGST. Okay, I'll write it again, it's not clear. CGST, which is supposed to be 9%. Okay, now just now only I said whatever is going to be CGST, the same is going to be the SGST and vice versa. So therefore the rate of SGST is 9%. Okay, so first question's answer we have got it. Now we have to find GST, that is the rate of GST is equal to the rate of CGST plus the rate of SGST. Got it, children? So for finding the rate of CGST, this formula is to be used, and for finding GST, this formula is to be used. So which is supposed to be 9% plus 9%, which is supposed to be 18% GST. Okay, so the rate of GST is 18%. Is it clear? Now, next question. Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2,800 if the rate of GST is 28%. So okay, so on this, if the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. So therefore, rate of luster paint is equal to 2,800. Okay, so this is the rate of the paint. Quantity is 2. So 2 tins rate is supposed to be how much? 2,800. Okay, so therefore taxable amount is equal to 2,800 into 2, which is supposed to be rupees 5,600. Got it, children? Now 2 tins luster box is supposed to be each. They have given the price of 1. So we had to find the price of 2 tins, which is supposed to be this. Got it? So when we get this, on this the rate is going to be 28%. Okay, so the rate of GST is 28%. Okay, now therefore the rate of CGST we will write is equal to directly. We will skip one step over here. SGST. Now this is half into 28%, which is 2 ones are and 14s are. So the answer is 14. CGST we have got as 14%. Now the amount of CGST is equal to the rate of CGST into taxable amount, which is going to be 14% of rupees 5,600. Okay, now 14%, how are you going to write? 14 upon 100. Okay, so this thing you are going to write in this way, and of 5,600 is going to be written in this way. So when you reduce it, the answer is going to be rupees 784. So reduce it, the answer is going to be this. Now this is supposed to be the amount of SGST is rupees 784 as, and CGST is rupees 784, because these are equal, isn't it? So both the answers are going to be same. The taxable value of the wristwatch belt is rupees 586. The rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? So this is also going to be very easy. The rate of GST is 18%. Okay, so therefore GST on the belt price rupees 586 is going to be 18 upon 100 into 586. Okay, got it, children? So we have to find the GST on this amount, which is supposed to be 18%. So 18%, how are you going to write? 18 upon 100. Okay, why 100? Because we calculate percentage in 100. Many of you are going to ask why we have taken 100. So the price of the belt is equal to taxable value plus GST. Okay, so what is going to be the taxable value? The taxable value is 586, rupees 586, plus how much is going to be the GST after calculation? Sorry, we forgot to write the calculation over here. So the calculation is going to be after reduction of these three, we are going to get rupees 105.48. Okay, reduce it, you are going to get the answer in decimal point. This amount is to be written as the GST, that is 105.48. Okay, so the answer is going to be rupees 691.48. At the end, you will have to conclude the answer as the price of the belt for the customer is rupees 691.48. Got it? Isn't it easy to solve? Now next, the total value with GST. Okay, now this is the value that is been given with GST. To remote control car is rupees 1770. Okay, so the rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the taxable value of CGST and SGST for the toy car. Okay, so we have to find both the amounts. So let the taxable value of the car be BX. Okay, 18% GST. Okay, so how are you going to write this? Therefore, GST is equal to 8 into 18 upon 100, which is supposed to be rupees 9x upon 50. Okay, reduce it, you are going to get the answer. Okay, now what is this? This is supposed to be the total value. So the total value is rupees x plus 9x upon 50. But the total value is being given. Okay, so the total value is being given, which is supposed to be how much? 1770. 1770 rupees. Okay, so 1770 rupees. Now we have to use this as x plus 9x upon 50 is equal to 1770. Therefore, 50x plus 9x is equal to 170 into 50, multiplying both the sides with 50 in order to get the answer. Okay, so therefore calculate this now in this form. 50 plus 9x is going to be 59x. Multiply this, your answer is going to be, we will not multiply it, we will keep it as it is. Why we are keeping it? You all can multiply it, but we will keep it as it is so that we can get a shortcut. Now we can reduce it, divide by both the sides, means this side also and this side also by the table of 59. Okay, so you all can write the step over here, dividing both the sides by 59. You all can multiply also, but the answer will come big. Then again you all have to divide. Answer is going to come the same, but this is the shortcut, you all can say. So by dividing both the sides, you are going to get x is equal to, see, 51 ones and 51 30s, 59, sorry, 59 ones 59, then only x will be remain, and 30 into 50. Isn't it? Now it is very easy. You all can directly multiply it. 3 5s are 15, add 2 zeros. So you have got your x. And what was x supposed to be? X is supposed to be the value of taxable GST. Isn't it? So you all have got x. Write it down. The taxable value is equal to 1500 rupees. Alright, so you have got your GST now. In short form, you all have to write it GST at 18% on rupees 1500 is supposed to be 18 upon 100 multiplied by 1500, which is supposed to be rupees 270. Okay, matlab GST on this much amount is going to be how much? 270. Got it? So on this much amount, it is you all have to pay GST as 270. Now CGST is equal to rupees 270 upon 2, that is rupees 135, and SGST is same as GST, which is also rupees 135. Okay, so you all have got both the answers now. So write the conclusion because it's the problem sum. So the taxable value of the toy car is rupees 1500 and CGST is rupees 135 and SGST is rupees 135. Tip-top electronic supplies on AC 1.5 ton to a company. The cost of AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. The rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amount as shown in the tax invoice on Tip-top electronics. Okay, so you all have been given these many questions. One by one we will start solving it with the given statements that they have already given in the question. We will write it down. The rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Okay, so first the rate of SGST on AC is also going to be 14%. So GST is going to be 14% plus 14%, which is supposed to be 28%, isn't it? You all have to add this in order to get GST. You all have got CGST now, SGST and GST, everything you all have got. Now let the taxable value of AC is rupees X, because we don't know the taxable value, that is why we are substituting it as X, but we know GST, which is 28%. Therefore GST is equal to X into 28 upon 100, which is going to be 7X upon 25. Reduce this, children, you will get the answer. So this is going to be rupees is equal to rupees 7X upon 25. Okay, means once you all reduce it. Now this is going to be the total cost of AC with GST. Okay, so rupees X plus 7X upon 25. Therefore the cost of AC with GST is given rupees 51,200, which is given in the question. Therefore X plus 7X upon 25 is 51,200. Therefore 25X plus 7X, multiply both the sides with 25. Okay, here also with 25 and on this side also 25. Now again we will do the same step. We will not multiply it. What we are going to do is 32X. Now remember one thing, there is a small trick that you all have to remember. Whenever the answer with the X is coming, you all have to multiply and check whether this is getting reduced or not. Okay, it is definitely going to get reduced. So this is going to be dividing by 32 on both sides. Okay, so from both the sides we have to divide it with 32. So the answer is going to be X 1600 into 25. Okay, so 31 ones are 31 1600. Got it? In this way you all have to reduce it and show it. Multiplication is also going to give you the same answer, don't worry, but it is going to be a long form. Now we have got the X, children. Now let's find the second one, that is the taxable value. The taxable value of AC is equal to rupees 40,000. The amount of GST is equal to cost with GST minus taxable value, which is supposed to be rupees 51,200 minus 40,000, which is equal to 11,200. Now the fifth question was this was third question's answer, this is fourth question's answer, this is fifth question's answer. The amount of CGST is equal to the amount of GST upon 2, which is supposed to be rupees 1100 upon 2. Reduce it, the answer is going to be 5,600. Okay, now the last one answer is supposed to be the amount of SGST is equal to the amount of CGST. Okay, both the amount is going to be same, that is 5,600, sorry. Okay, so next sum. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of 40,000. The rate of GST charge was 28%. Find the purchase price of the washing machine for Prasad, also find the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. So first, whatever is been given, the printed price, of washing machine is rupees 40,000. Okay, at 5% discount. Okay, so therefore discount 5 upon 100 because it's percentage form, and 40,000. So the answer is going to be rupees 2,000. Okay, so 5% of 40,000 means it's going to be 5% means 200 rupees, sorry, not 200 rupees, 200 rupees. Okay, so 5% means 200 rupees on what price? On 40,000. Therefore, actual SP means selling price of the washing machine is equal to rupees 40,000 minus 2,000. Okay, why we are subtracting these? So that we can get the actual amount of the washing machine, which is 38,000. Rupees 38,000 is the taxable value. Okay, so after the reduction of the GST, this much amount of this much is going to be the amount of the washing machine, and we have to find the GST of 28%. Okay, so therefore GST is equal to 28 upon 100 into 38,000, which is supposed to be rupees 10,640. Okay, so therefore GST is equal to CGST plus SGST. Okay, so we know CGST and SGST together we have got rupees 10,640. So CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half into GST, which is half into GST. We have got it as 10,640. Reduce it. The answer is going to be, rupees 5,320. Okay, so we have to find the actual price of the washing machine. So the actual cost of washing machine is rupees 38,000 plus rupees 10,640, isn't it? So total is going to be rupees 48,640. So let's conclude the answer now. The purchase price of washing machine is rupees 48,640, and CGST and SGST, both we will write it together, is equal to rupees 5,320. I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. If there is any confusion, please let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.